welcome to MrMTrades. And today I want to do a post-trade analysis on actually one of the tickers that didn't go our way, but it was worth keeping an eye on because initially the setup was right, all the conditions were there, but with the market weakness we had a pullback, and we got stopped out of that trade. I'm only doing this because I think analyzing your losers is as important as as celebrating your winners, because that's how we learn, that's how we progress. So what have we got here? Initial entry on this trade was alerted during this breakout as we were moving to a new all-time high, I believe above the 38 level, right? So we alerted our group on that for entry at 38 with a stop loss at 35.45, which was sort of our 1% risk ratio. We had a sort of small follow through, but without conviction, with a small gain of 3.5%, followed by sort of pretty strong pullback, and it hit our stop loss. But what's really interesting about it, after sort of I did my post analysis, is that we have a few things going on here. One, sort of it pulled back on a strong volume. It put out a double bottom here, right? We can see it over here, double bottom. And as it raced over here and pulled back, that clearly looks like, it's head and shoulders patterns formed here. But then what happened here, it moved on high volume with this candle right here, right here. That could have been an early entry with a stop loss over here, right? A higher risk, higher reward type of approach before we got to the full confirmation breakout, right? Breaking that all-time high over here on with above average volume, right? And we continue. So so there are a few things going on here, right? First of all, that pattern head and shoulders normally is bearish, right? But as we move through on that key pivot level over here, there was a bullish sign, huge candle over here suggesting a lot of sort of buying power behind the move, and move above the full confirmation breakout would trigger an entry over here. And that's why I want to bring that to your attention, so for the future that sometimes we may get stopped out, right? And that's fine, but set your alerts to just below the low, below the high, so you can be alerted and you can continue watching the stuff, because not all the plays that you get stopped out of are complete, should be discarded. They're worth revisiting to see what's happening with the price action. And like we saw on this occasion, this one got us stopped out due to the overall market weakness, right? But it held up nicely, gave us a few signals. One, double bottom. Two, move above that sort of key pivot level over here, following that head and shoulders pattern, with a huge volume above, and confirmation above this previous high. So I thought that was really interesting post analysis. And yeah, if you like that video, make sure to click that like, follow us on social media, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, MrMTrades, and visit our website MrMTrades.com to find out more about what we do, and come join our community of traders.